Hey guys, I am at a condo that might be the worst smell I've ever had in 18 years. And it's not a dead body, it is a sewage backup that happened 6 months ago. And she just now called for help. So I've got my plumber here. It turns out that it's a condo, so not necessarily her doing it, but it was baby wipes. Somebody put down the drain, clogged the line, and the entire building, shit, piss, sewer, backed up into her condo. And she's a hoarder, so she didn't tell anybody until a couple weeks ago, and then didn't have any money to get it fixed. So the maintenance guy, who I know, called, and the plumber, who I know, and the plumber just fixed it, snaked it, found all the baby wipes, probably 10 years full of baby wipes. And the stench is so bad. I'm in the parking lot and I can still smell it. It's so bad. She's been living like that. And I'll post some photos of the property inside. But there's her and her 2 cats, and I don't know how you can live in that. There's nowhere to walk. It's all the drywall. It's already called moldy. And so we're gonna put some resources together and help her. She lives on Social Security. She has no way to help herself. So I'm gonna go put a crew together here and see what we can do to help her out, because this is horrible, absolutely horrible. She's gonna lose everything inside this condo and then some. Nothing is salvageable, and she owns the condo. And we're gonna have to cut through drywall, obviously, and dry it out. And it's just a horrible, horrible situation. So another reason that I would never live in a condo, to be quite honest. Many reasons, but this is one of them. Somebody else screws something up and you pay the price. So take a look at the photos I'm gonna attach after this video, and you can see what this poor lady's dealing with.